Welcome to the Furious Futurist, the channel where I pick apart the present to find the future we were promised in the past. And in true internet style, today I want to talk about pets, but because this is a channel concerned with looking forwards in time, I will be talking about the future pets I was promised as a child. And before I go any further, I just want to issue the following trigger warning that this video may contain kittens. Greetings, my furious friends. I am the Furious Futurist, and pets have long been a cheap and effective way to manipulate the heartstrings of sci-fi and fantasy fans, even though some of them are literally a fully grown man masquerading as a pet and living in a young boy's bedroom. But animals have also played leading roles in the development of our real-life futuristic society, like the monkeys who lived and sometimes died testing the effects of space travel on the mammalian body, as well as that dog that became the first time traveler in this documentary I saw. Here's a quick kitten interlude for those people who only click for the kittens. But how will our attitudes towards pet ownership change in the future? Well, with more and more people going vegan, we may continue to question the ethical ramifications of ownership of another living being. And whilst robotic replacements such as Sony's Aibo have not yet usurped the traditional organic version, and Boston Dynamics' Spot the Dog would appeal more to a Terminator than a suburban family, at least home-build projects like Nibble here might inspire young minds into careers in technology and engineering to produce the next generation of robotic pets. By the way, Muffet from the original Battlestar Galactica was actually a chimp in a dog suit, which is actually horrifying when you think about it too long. Kitten interlude! And if the world of virtual and augmented reality becomes more prevalent in everyday life, we may have virtual pets like Boggo on the MetaQuest, no vet bills, no expensive stays in kennels, and if it begs for food at the table, you can just turn the darn thing off. The original Tamagotchis were a huge hit back in the late 90s, and mobile versions of virtual pets are already popular. So it's not too much of a leap to think that people might be taking a VR cockapoo for a walk in the not-too-distant future. Cockapoo interlude! And thinking outside the litter box into the far future, will we discover and domesticate new species here on Earth, or even genetically engineer hybrid pets that we can't even imagine yet? Or, as we become spacefaring civilizations, will we encounter friendly alien species that appeal to our human sense of cuteness? Oh, maybe not. But let me leave you with this thought. There's an argument by Dr. Brian Hare and Vanessa Woods in their book The Genius of Dogs that dogs domesticated us, not the other way round. And given that cats were seen as gods in ancient Egypt, I think that one can only logically extrapolate that an alien race of cat gods descended to Earth in humankind's infancy, overwhelmed us with their cuteness, and forged a great empire whereby they now still secretly rule the planet whilst we feed them cat treats and clean up their poop. I guess their future was kitten in the stars. And I'm afraid that's all we have time for, but please take a second to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. If you have anything you'd like me to discuss, or if there's any futuristic pets I missed out of this video, please leave a comment down below. I am the Furious Futurist, and you can check out some of my other videos here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, my furious friends.